makita yung hinggil sa bagay na yan. Atin naman pakinggan ang pagbabalita ni Kaloy. Hindi ho si Kaloy Yulo. Si Kaloy Chang. Kaloy kami.
Magandang umaga ho, Sir Baisa. Sa umaga na ito ay may pag-uulat tayo, medyo delay konti dahil may problema nangyari, aksidente. Late na konti according to the BRR media release, kay Lumagi, BRR 5 criminal case for tax evasion against Alice Go, Jack Uy, and Bao Fu Corporate Secretary. Bureau of Internal Revenue BRR Commissioner Romeo L. Lumagi filed a criminal case for tax evasion against Alice Go, Jack Uy, and Richelle Joan Malonzo Carrion, the corporate secretary of Bao Fu Land Development Incorporation, before the Department of Justice again 14/2024. The criminal case stemmed from Gio admission she transferred her share in Bao Fu to Uy. Upon investigation, the BRR discovered that no capital gain tax and documentary stamp return were filed and paid in relation to transfer. We had to file case for tax evasion against Alice Go, Rochelle Carrion, and Jack Uy in relation to the transfer of share in Bao Fu Land Development Corporation from Gio to Uy. No GST, DST return were filed and paid, Commissioner Lumagi stated. Gio, Carrion, and Uy will be facing criminal charges. Criminal charges for under Section 254, attempt of evade of defeat, tax Section 255, failure to file CGT and DST return, Section 250, failure to file, supply certain information later charged to exclusive of Carrion. While the party to the transfer and Gio and Uy, Carrion and the corporate secretary of Biofuel Incorporation will also face the same criminal case for tax evasion due to the deliberation of failure to report the non-payment and non-filing of CGT and DST return to the BRR. Each seem verified under oath the general information sheet reflecting and transfer even if no taxes were paid and to return were filed, Commissioner Lumagi added. The BRI is currently auditing the entire business operation of Gio in relation to the Senate hearing and uncovering her illegal activity. Pivotal government document had already been requested to the BRI, awaiting the document so it can finalize the audit of her business operation.